different faces, and it works perfectly. Then the cube will appear, and this is what most people miss. And finally, this is the second app installed. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special cube to show you guys. It's a Rubik cube, but apparently it's kind of a smart cube. This is from Xiaomi. I got this on the banggood.com for about $18 US. The packaging is only in Chinese. There's the MI logo over here for Xiaomi, and here there is a little sticker that says works with media. Media is a series of products. For example, I did a review on my channel of a media smart camera, or I should say a security camera. It's not very smart, and apparently this can control devices according to the website. So since the package doesn't tell us a lot, let's go to my computer, have a look at what Banggood has to say about this cube before we try it. Alright, let's look at what the Banggood website says about this amazing cube. As you can see here, the price is $17.89 US. Normally it's $25, but it's been at this price for weeks. So let's go down and see what they have to say about this. Here we have descriptions. It's a bit small to read, but they repeat the information here. So it's a magnetic cube. It looks like 30 steps to restore. It seems to be like the maximum. We'll see later. It's Bluetooth cube. And here, it's interesting here. I won't read everything, but if you look at on the text here, it says control smart home appliances with the smart cube. So that's interesting. They call it Rubik, but it's a copy of a Rubik cube. A smart game app built 9 game tutorials. Okay. Here we can see a screenshot on a smartphone, but it's in Chinese only. You can see at the top. And here they show the internal workings. Quick restore. Again, 30 steps. There's a restore algorithm. Is it really an algorithm, or it's just backtracking your move? So that we will see. Oh, scientific timing. I thought there was only one kind of timing. I didn't know that the timing could be a scientific. Log every progress. Okay, I guess if you want to solve the cube, there's a timer, as you can see here on the screen. Professional racing structure design. Okay, racing. This is also a racing cube. So again, here a picture of the internal workings. Intelligent Rubik's Cube can connect with various devices. Here they look, they show the cube beside a Xiaomi lamp. Again, suggesting that you can control the lamp with the cube. So we will see. Here, 1 hour every day, 1 battery available. I think what they mean is that if you play 1 hour a day, the battery will last 1 year, I think. This is very bad English here. So a little boy playing with the cube, and comfortable to the touch. Magnetic positioning. Yeah, we'll see how that works. And again, the inner workings of the cube. And all the reviews have like 5 stars, most of them, if not all. So can't wait to see how this works. So let's go back to my desk and open this device. Back in the studio, let's open this package here. So there it is. We have a little leaflet that is only in Chinese. The Banggood website, if I recall, didn't say global version or Chinese version. There seems to be only one version, and it's only in Chinese. I wonder if this is a mistake. They show here how to I'll try to get a good focus. They show how to replace the battery here, I think. This is the battery under the cube that has the MI logo, which is the white one over here. So they say magnetic, like it's supposed to center. And well, I can tell you right now, this is amazing. You can hear that. If I use here, this is an original. This is a real Rubik cube. You can tell from copies, this is very, very nice. But it does not align precisely. This one here, you can hear the click, click. It aligns perfectly. Now, I don't want to mix it because I want to look at the app. I don't think there is an app. I think that it's Bluetooth. So you need to take your phone and connect your phone to this. And I don't see a tab here to remove for a battery power. So hopefully the battery is still working. So let's try that. All right, let's go to the installation process here for the two apps that we need. This is the main screen of my phone. Here you can see in the bottom left, I have the Xiaomi Home app and the MI Smart Magic Cube. So let's go and see how this can be done. The first thing that you will do is install the Xiaomi app from the Apple Store or Google Play. And this is the main screen. Now I have installed already the Magic Cube, but normally you would have nothing on this screen. I also have the a light bulb, as you can see. Now you need to click on Profile at the bottom right, and you need then to go to Settings, and then look at the bottom, the region. I have Chinese mainland. I had Canada before, of course, and you need to change your region, and you will see why in a second. Once you change the region to Chinese mainland, you will have here this screen, and you may see, as we can see here, an ad in Chinese. And then when you click on the top, the plus sign at the top, you will see here, these are the options, but look carefully on the left side, you will see entertainment about the middle of the screen. And if you click or if you tap on that, then the cube will appear. And this is what most people miss. If you keep your region, like in my case, Canada, I do not have this entertainment as an option. Maybe it will be in the future, but as of making this video, it is not there. So now if you tap on the MI Smart Cube or Magic Cube, it will search for a nearby device. Now, if it doesn't find your cube, maybe your cube is still in sleep mode. So turn it, like do a few turns of a face of the cube just to wake it up. And now you will see this connected successfully. And the next screen will be to select a room you want the cube. This is standard. You would normally select a room for a smart switch or a light bulb. In this case, it's a cube. It sounds a bit silly, but you can select a room if you want. And finally, this is the first step. So now we have in the Xiaomi app, we have the cube. And if we have automation, simple tutorial, and 3D tutorial. If we tap on automation, and I'll do a separate, not automation here. I tapped at the top. Let me just go back here. I tapped in the top corner, the top right corner, where you see the three dots, and that will give us settings. This is where you can see the battery left in your cube. This is interesting to know, and also the total moves. So let's go back to the main screen. Now we have automation, simple tutorial, and 3D tutorial. If you tap on automation, and I'll do a separate video on that, here you can program the cube. Like in this example, if I rotate the cube clockwise, it will turn on a particular light bulb. And once you save it, this is what you have. So this light bulb is tied to a clockwise rotation of the cube. This is a bit complicated. I'm still like playing with this, so I'll do a separate video on that, I think. Now we have back to the screen, we have simple tutorial. If you tap on that, very useful information here. It will define what are faces, center pieces, corner pieces, an area, orientation. This is key here, as I will show you later in my demo, the orientation of the cube when you face the cube. And here a few things which you don't need to do. It's nice to know, but you don't have to remember the F and the B's, as we will see later. Now back here. Now The second app installation will appear when you tap on 3D tutorial on this screen. This is what you will see. It will take you here to a Xiaomi website when you click on download now, and you will see this. It's all in Chinese, but you see the green tab at the bottom. I just assumed this was okay or download, so I tapped on that and it worked. Then it goes to English. Do you want to install this application? You click install and it goes. Now, before you get this screen, you may get an error message on your phone because this is installing a file not from Google Play or the App Store, the Apple Store. So you may have to set your settings on your phone for authorization to download from untrusted sources. But this is a Xiaomi website, so this is fine. And then you have to sign in with your MI account. And finally, this is the second app installed. This gives you the second icon I showed you at the beginning of this tutorial. Now, if you click on tutorial, I'll do solver after. If you tap on tutorial, you will see this here. So you have basics, and you have to complete basics to go to Wildflower. As you can see, there is a lock, so you have to go by step. So if you tap on basics, then you can tap on learn and test. If you tap on learn, it tells you here, like in this example, what are corner pieces. And then if you tap on test, it will test you to make sure that you understood this lesson. Now solver, and I'm going to do that here live. Just want to show you solver the screen. So I'm going here to spend some time with the cube on this, and also here with ready, the timer. So you're set now. You have the two apps installed, the Xiaomi Home and the Magic Cube. So let's go back now to the cube. So guys, if you follow the instructions I showed you on my computer, you should be able to install and use the cube. Now, there is a QR code in the Chinese manual, but apparently it doesn't work, so I did not even try it. So once you install the two things, the Xiaomi Home as we saw and the MI Smart Magic Cube, you'll have the two apps over here. So if you tap on Xiaomi, you will have your devices. Actually, if I go back here, you'll have your devices. I have a smart light bulb and the cube. And if I tap on the cube, I have automation, simple tutorial, and 3D tutorial. Now, automation, you can control devices like a light bulb with the cube. That is a separate video by itself. I'm going to work on that and do another video. Simple tutorial, we saw that, and 3D tutorial, you have to have the other app installed. So let's get out of this and let's go to the MI Smart Magic Cube. So this is the other app here that I showed also during the installation. You have solver, tutorial, or timer. So if you tap on solver, and I'm going here to have the my phone standing, well, maybe not vertical, but it's too slippery. You will see here as I rotate the cube, look at that. It is rotating in the app. So I'm going to have it here better. It's a bit it's a bit too slippery, so I'll try to put something here. And you know what? I'm going to use a tire from my Batmobile. There you go. This will hold it. There you go, right there. So if I go back here and look at that, so you can move the cube, different faces, and it works perfectly. And if I click on start, it will say press shuffle. I think it will say, it's very, the message is too short. Please scramble the cube first. Okay, so I'm going to do a demonstration. I'll just do it twice like that, okay? Then press on start. And it's showing the orientation, which is important. So you want to have the green face to my left, the right face to my right, and the white face facing up, as you can see here. And if I click on OK, it is showing me the first movement, which is the back, like this, and then the second movement, which is this one. Success. It works. You saw it on my channel. So guys, if you follow the instructions, it should be fine. It's only that when you click on download the app from the Xiaomi website, you will need to give authorization to your phone to download for an untrusted sources. And the page is all in Chinese, but there is a green button that is probably download, so you just tap on that. So guys, this is working, so I hope you found this video useful. And like I said at the beginning, the movement is very, very nice of this on this cube. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.